Welcome back to our channel. Today we want to talk about the most vital organ in your body. No, it's not the brain. It's not the heart. It's not the kidneys. What? Yes. Today we are diving deep into your liver and why keeping it happy means staying hydrated. Think of your liver as your body's very own detox center. It works tirelessly to filter toxins and waste out of your blood, turning harmful stuff into harmless particles, and guess what? It needs plenty of H2O to do its magic. Now let's dive into the science of hydration and its impact on your liver function. When you drink water, it doesn't just quench your thirst. It also gives your liver the hydration it craves. This water intake helps your liver break down fats and get rid of harmful substances like alcohol, drugs, and other toxins much more efficiently. On the other hand, when you're dehydrated, your liver's detox game slows down. Without enough water, your liver becomes sluggish and struggles to break down fats and eliminate toxins effectively. And here's the kicker. Those toxins don't just hang around in your liver. They can make their way into your bloodstream and travel to different parts of your body. This can make you feel pretty yucky, like you have a constant feeling of tiredness or fatigue, which can really affect your energy levels and overall well-being. But wait, there's more. Dehydration puts a damper on your digestion too. When your liver isn't functioning at its best because you're not drinking enough water, it can lead to a backup of old waste in your digestive system. So instead of things moving smoothly through your gut, you might experience some unpleasant symptoms like bloating, constipation, or even diarrhea. It's like a traffic jam in your tummy. Not fun. And let's not forget about your skin. When you're dehydrated, your liver can't produce enough bile, which is a substance that helps break down fats and get rid of waste through your digestive system. Less bile means that toxins can build up in your body and show up on your skin as rashes, dryness, or even acne. Yikes. Dark yellow or amber-colored urine could be another sign that you need to drink up. When you're dehydrated, your urine will be darker because your body is holding on to water. It's its way of conserving fluids. But it also means that your liver isn't getting the water it needs to do its job properly. So how much water should you be drinking to keep your liver happy and healthy? Well, the general rule of thumb is to aim for about 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. However, if you are an active person or live in a hot climate, you may need to drink even more. It's important to listen to your body and drink fluids regularly throughout the day. You may be thinking, what if I drink too much water? Well, it's pretty unlikely that you'll ever drink so much water that it becomes a problem. Your body has a natural balance of fluids, and it will let you know when you've yet enough through your urine. If you're worried about overhydration, just take it easy and drink when you're thirsty. Now, you might be wondering how you can make sure you're drinking enough water. Well, it's simpler than you think. Let's start with setting reminders. You can use a fancy water tracking app or simply set alarms on your phone to remind you to drink up. It's like having a personal hydration buddy. Next, infuse some fun into your water. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries to your water to give it a refreshing taste and make it more enjoyable. You can also get creative and try out various herbal teas, which are not only hydrating, but also offer additional health benefits. Another handy trick is to keep a water bottle with you wherever you go. This way you always have a refreshing drink nearby and get caught off guard without proper hydration. Oh, and don't forget to make water the default drink of choice whenever you're thirsty. Instead of reaching for soda or juice, grab a glass of water first. It's the best choice for keeping your liver healthy and happy. You see, when you drink water, it doesn't just quench your thirst. It goes on an incredible journey through your body. Let me take you along for the ride. Once you take a sip of water, it makes its way to your stomach, where it gets a little taste test. From there, it moves on to your small intestine, which is like a water slide that quickly transports it to your bloodstream. Now your liver gets into action, breaking down harmful substances and waste in your blood before filtering out the bad stuff and sending the clean water back into your bloodstream. This purified water nourishes your organs, helps regulate your body temperature, and keeps everything running smoothly. Isn't that an amazing journey? Remember, your liver relies on water to perform its life-saving functions. So by staying hydrated, you're giving your liver the support it needs to keep you healthy. Now let's explore a common question people have. Does the amount of water we drink affect the size of our livers? Well, the answer is it depends. While dehydration can cause the liver to shrink somewhat due to a loss of water and blood flow, it doesn't actually change the liver's overall size. However, Chronic alcohol abuse and certain medical conditions can lead to a condition called fatty liver disease, where fat accumulates in the liver cells, causing the liver to swell and become larger. But hey, we're talking about the good kind of hydration here. The water we drink to stay healthy and keep our livers happy. As we've already covered, the liver acts like your body's personal detoxifier, working hard to remove harmful substances from your blood and keep you feeling fantastic. It's like a hard-working employee who deserves all the water and appreciation we can give it. But here's the twist. Your liver needs your help to stay on top of its game. Picture this. Your body encounters harmful toxins like alcohol or medications. Don't worry, your liver's got you covered. It breaks these substances into smaller components, neutralizing the bad stuff so it's no longer harmful. But here's where you come in. You need to supply your liver with plenty of water to help it break down these toxins more efficiently. Without proper hydration, your liver might struggle to process everything smoothly, and the toxins could start building up in your body. Nobody wants that. Staying hydrated not only helps your liver detoxify harmful substances, but it also keeps your body running smoothly in many other ways. Think of it as the ultimate all-around talent. Water is essential for almost every bodily function you can think of. Let's kick things off with digestion. When you're well hydrated, water helps break down food and aids in nutrient absorption, making sure you get the most out of every meal. Plus, it keeps things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing constipation and keeping your gut happy. Next, water is like a personal lubricant for your joints, keeping them flexible and reducing the risk of injuries. Whether you're hitting the gym or just moving around, proper hydration ensures that your joints can move freely without any stiffness. And let's not forget about your skin. Staying hydrated is like giving your skin a natural glow. When you're well hydrated, your skin cells are plump and youthful, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it helps your body produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, keeping your skin healthy and strong. Water also plays a crucial role in temperature regulation. When you're hydrated, your body can effectively cool itself through sweating. It's preventing overheating and keeping you comfortable in hot weather. And here's a fun fact. Did you know that your brain is about 80% water? Proper hydration is essential for brain function. It helps maintain cognitive performance, memory, and focus, keeping you sharp and ready to tackle any challenge. However, there are a few situations where you might need to be extra careful about your fluid intake. During intense exercise or in hot weather, you lose fluids through sweat, so it's important to drink up to replace what you've lost. Otherwise, you might end up becoming dehydrated. When it comes to supporting your liver and maintaining your body's overall health, water truly is the elixir of life. By staying hydrated, you're giving your liver the H2O it needs to filter out toxins, break down fats, and keep your blood clean. It's like an unstoppable team effort. And remember, your liver isn't the only one benefiting from proper hydration. From aiding digestion to nourishing your skin and boosting brain function, water is the ultimate all-star that keeps your entire body in tip-top shape. So grab a glass of water right now and raise a toast to the most important liquid of all. But wait, there's more to the story. There are a few sneaky villains that can throw a wrench in your hydration plans. Stress can definitely put a damper on your water intake. When stress levels rise, your body goes into survival mode, sometimes making you forget to drink enough water. To combat this, find ways to manage your stress, whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking mindful breaks. Remember, a calm mind means better hydration. Certain medications like diuretics can also make you feel thirsty and increase your need for water. It's important to stay aware of the potential effects of your medications and consult with your healthcare provider if you're concerned about your water intake. They can offer guidance on how much water you should be drinking and help you adjust your hydration habits accordingly. Caffeine, found in your beloved coffee and tea, can also play a trick on your hydration levels. While a cup of joe can get you energized in the morning, too much caffeine can have a dehydrating effect. Try to limit your caffeine intake and be sure to drink an extra glass of water for every caffeinated beverage you consume. And let's not forget about those pesky hot beverages themselves. Hot drinks can increase your body temperature, leading to sweating and potential dehydration. To make sure you're staying hydrated, drink a glass of water before and after enjoying a hot drink, like a comforting cup of soup or a soothing herbal tea. Proper hydration is essential for your liver and overall well-being. By understanding the connection between hydration and your liver, you can make informed choices to support its crucial functions. Stay tuned for more informative videos on holistic health and wellness. And remember, drink up for a healthier you.